Hey guys, look what I got. This is a 1992 ceiling fan. If you don't know, it looks like a Hunter because it does have the 4 and the 5 blade setup. If I was to show you, I'm gonna get me a light and I'll show you what it has. It's like the Hunter originals almost because it has the blade brackets. Yes. See that little hole right over there? There's a little hole over there where the actual blade brackets mount to. It's got a 4 blade and 5 blade setup. And this has the old Hunter stuff because this is from 1992. Might be a builder's model because it is. And it does move a lot of air considering how old it is. From 1992, which is about 28 years old. That's old. But it works great. I love it. We did change the light kit. The original one was messed up. We're about to turn this thing on low right now. Here we go. It starts up. This one starts a little bit faster than the other one. These are the original fans for the house when the house was first built. It blows a serious amount of air. And this is pretty fast for low. It doesn't shake. We're gonna crank it up to medium. There it goes. Was a good amount of breeze. See that? Let's crank it up to high. There it goes. High. This thing is insane. This is the speed I usually put it on. It sounds exactly like the original, almost, but these things are insanely powerful. We have them all throughout the house except for that 100 that was replaced, which is what this fan was actually in there, but it had a different light kit on it. Now for the spin down. This is a long spin down. So, Lima, this is a really good ceiling fan for all the people out there for the fans. This one has a considerate spin down, considering it has ball bearings. Jordan, I would recommend getting one of these. These are very rare. This one don't have a badge on it. If y'all would know what kind of brand it is, I would look it up. Let me know what brand Hunter, if this is a Hunter or what kind of fan it is, because this was put in 92. Tell me in the comments what kind of brand this is, because this is a Hunter, and ask like what certain type of brand, so that way I can show y'all. As I've been looking at these light kits for these. These fans are pretty cool. It's got a reverse, and it has the 4 blade and 5 blade setup, which is on the 5 blade, because we want some air in here. Okay, everybody subscribe to Jordan You know who he is, Jordan, and Lamont the Fan Man, including Tori, and Spats Bear, all the fan people in HVAC guys, because these fans are awesome. And here's a vintage carbon dioxide detector, very old. So, and the light kit does work on this one pretty well. This is such a long spin down. It's because it's ball bearing. Let's stop now. So subscribe to those I don't know, it's still spinning. It ain't gonna stop. Because it won't want to. It's such a good fan. Well, I'll see y'all later. Subscribe to Lamont. Subscribe all the people that fan collectors like me. As you can see, all of my fans. I have more than that. I have all this. I'll see y'all later. And I ought to care. See y'all later. And there's more in the closet. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye. Subscribe to those people.